Hey YouTube land, welcome to my channel. Well, in this episode, something very different. Now, many of you are aware that recently I injured my left eye. My vision's not the same. I need a lot of light to see out of my left eye. You know, it's improving, but there's been some days where it's not so great. But there's been a product that was sent to me recently that has been a godsend. It has helped my eye and me continue making these videos for you by allowing me to see lots and edit videos really nicely. And that product is by this company here, BenQ. And what they sent me is they sent me this reading lamp, which is called the Genie e-reading lamp. Now, I got this a while ago and I just threw it to the side because I have so many things to review. And then when my eye injury happened, I pulled it out because I had to edit videos. I couldn't make videos anymore, but I had to edit them. And looking at a computer, it was very difficult. You know, there's not enough light, all the light's coming off the computer, so you need external light source. So this product here, which I'm gonna show you, I have it right here, is the product that's kind of saved my ability to edit videos and make these videos for you. So now you're looking at this product going, well, what is it? It's like this gooseneck thing. Sure, it moves. You can move it this way, you know, adjust it as you wish. You can move this up and down any way you wish. You can turn it side to side. It can move 360 degrees in all sorts of directions. Now you can't even see my head because it's cut off. But what's cool about this is the light it gives off. It's the type of light that is not going to make your eyes tired. So I'm going to show you right now where I use it in my house. As you can see, this is my workstation for editing videos, and I use this lamp while I'm editing videos or answering your emails, anything that I have to do in regards to looking at a computer, because the light coming from my monitor really affects my left eye negatively and gives me headaches. But when I use the Genie e-reading lamp, my God, it's like I can see the screen with both eyes very clearly. My eyes do not get tired, they do not start watering, everything is perfect. And what I really like about this lamp is that it has sensors in it to set the ambient light correctly for the situation. So right now I've got a window over there with a bunch of daylight coming in, and this light's here. If I turn it on, just have to touch it and it goes on, and it should adjust itself for the lighting coming in the window and everything that's here. So if I had a book and I wanted to read, this would be like the best reading light for a book. If I wanted to work on drones, sitting here working on my drones, this is the best light because you can see everything. Matter of fact, I can see too much. My senses are dirty on this drone. Now, if you're someone who doesn't like the brightness control, or say you wanted to use this for other purposes, like maybe even making a video because you want that beautiful light, it is the right color light. But say you want to warm up the light, maybe you don't like it. So there's a little switch on top. You can click the switch in, and I can turn it one way and ooh, nice warm light. Yes, that's mood lighting. Go the other way, we go to the cold, frigid, Arctic, bright bluish white light. So yeah, you can change it either way you want. And if I press the button again, I can intensify the brightness. I can go low, or I can make it super, super bright. And say I go, well, I want to go back to the ambient lighting for the room. I just touch the little ring and put my fingers on it and hold my hand there, and it will switch back to ambient light for the amount of light. And look at how low it's gone because of the light coming in the window. It says that's all the light you need. And looking underneath at the LED lights, I can see we have both the warm color LED lights and the bright color LED lights. So there's probably 5,000 Kelvin and then something much warmer in there. And of course, there's a combination when you turn the dial to mix them up any way you wish. All right, so I'm gonna put links below to where you can find this product. It is on Amazon, I believe, and I don't believe it's very expensive. I would highly suggest it if you have your computer like I do and you're looking at it all the time. It's awesome. If you're sitting here reading your books, well then it's even equally as awesome, or working on your drones. It's pretty darn good. I don't do a lot of products that aren't drone related or RC related, but when I do a product, it's because I really like it. So this is one I really like, and that's why I'm just showing you it, because it's helping me out with my eye. So I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Check the links below to where you can find this thing. And yeah, more drone reviews, RC reviews coming up in future videos. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one.